Hey Chris, we're in the hot and heavy middle of assembly here. That's your new Ivolite. We had to take your old cable out of your old Ivolite and actually rebuild the brand new one. Obviously we need to clean the glass, but we had to rebuild the brand new one. And then of course you can see all your chrome, your dash here. You're listening to your radio. All your wires are hidden beneath the floor, whereas they used to come up in a hole in the seat and come up the side here, and then the power wire went underneath the gunnels and then down through a hole in the seat back there. That's no longer that way. The surveyor isn't coming until tomorrow. That other one that was supposed to come a week ago Monday didn't come, and then he was going to come this last Monday, and he didn't come. I had the other one scheduled, anyways, as a backup, and he couldn't make it till Thursday, so we'll have that on Thursday. It'll be a few days after that before we can even get the report so that you can get insurance. So we're going to have to waive off probably a week. But just to let you know, and so you can see how everything's going here. And because we want to do testing and make sure that you're not going to have any difficulty with it when you get a hold of it. So anyhow, that's the latest. Talk to you soon. Oh, I have a couple questions. That's Andreas Vollenweider. If you haven't ever heard of him, he's a jazz harp, so you might want to listen to that music that was playing on your machine. Questions. Okay, I haven't tested this one yet. This is your old battery charger. We're going to see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'm assuming you want me to go ahead and purchase you another battery charger. I just need verification on that. Also, we found a depth finder. The sender for that came out when we took the plank out. I think we still have the sender, but at any rate, the question is, we don't have any idea if your depth sounder works. So, and we won't be able to tell until we install it and then take it to the water, and perhaps only to find out it doesn't work. So my thought is that if you want a depth sounder, we should supply you with a new one. Is that plastic?
No, it's brass.
Oh, it's brass. Okay, that's good. Plastic will break. So the question is, do you want us to supply you with a new one, or do you want to just do that at some later point in time? So we can still make that happen. I think I asked a question about the depth sounder a few weeks ago, and I didn't see the answer. I'm not saying you didn't answer me, but I didn't see the answer, and it might have slipped past me. Anyway, just wanted to get those things ironed out, and we'll talk to you soon.